For communication and navigation purposes of truck drivers through the developed application in this project, we use a modified version of a Femeco FX mobile terminal based on Android 6.0. Our intent was to integrate a wireless charging circuit and build a wireless charging desk for a more convenient day-to-day operation. The driver is assigned a smart mobile terminal before entering the premises. The terminal is set up for the specific scenario by the dispatcher before the handover. The driver chooses the interface language and the application guides him in subsequent procedures while moving inside the premises. The driver is then navigated to the parking lot, where he's waiting until his order is ready for processing. The driver's terminal gives the dispatch and the expedition warehouse an overview of the vehicle's current location on the premises, allowing the operators to effectively manage the site's traffic between the individual loading ramps. If necessary, the operator can directly contact the driver with detailed instructions beyond the usual scenario. Thanks to GPS navigation, the system detects the driver's arrival in the car park. Instead of the usual navigation, important information about his check-in status appears on the display of the terminal. Therefore, the driver is able to see the current information about his succession and about the estimated waiting time before his check-in takes place. As soon as the dispatch is ready to execute the order, they send a signal to the driver's terminal to drive the vehicle to a specific loading ramp. The driver is alerted by acoustic signal when the vehicle's call is received. After acknowledging the receipt of the call, the driver is navigated to the designated loading ramp. Upon arrival at the designated loading ramp, the screen on the terminal is changed from navigation to a call to attach the operator's tag to process the order. Details of the order are displayed on the terminal, and the operator verifies the order before start of the process. In parallel with this step of the process, the time of commencement and subsequent termination of the operator's activity to the assigned order is recorded for potential analytical purposes. After confirming the end of operation by attaching the operator's tag, the driver's terminal screen is automatically switched by the system according to the set scenario to the next step. In the case that another cargo load or unload at a different loading ramp is supposed to take place, the driver is navigated back to the car park. In other cases, the driver is navigated to the exit gate, where he returns the smart mobile terminal and leaves the premises.